generate a program using Mastercam for the component to be machined as shown in this figure. So we need to model this figure. So to do that, first we will go for machine type lathe default, then go to line command, draw a line from 0 0 0, and then I want since it is the diameter 10, so this diameter is 10, so we want it for 5, so go to 5 mm length by angle is 90, so we have a straight portion. Then we have 50 mm offset, so go to X form, take the distance of offset 50, so from here you offset it, then go to fit, then go to line command, draw a line from endpoint to this. Then we have 60 mm diameter, so X form, offset, take the distance as 30, so from here you offset and go to fit and go to extend this line till here. Then once you do that, then we have 15 mm, so go to X form, offset, take the distance as 15, so from here you start doing this. Then go to trim this line till here. Then we have 52, so X form, offset, take the distance as 26 because it is 52. Then again offset, take the distance as 5, from here it is 5. Then go to trim this line till here, and trim this line till here, and trim this line till here. So once you do that, again you have 5 mm offset. Then go to X form, go to offset, X form, go to offset, take the distance as 5 mm, so from here you take 5. Then you have a taper there, so which is of 40 mm diameter, so go to X form, offset, you take 20, so from here you take 20, then draw a line from there to there, so go to line, take end point of this to end point of this, then go to X form, then go to trim this line till here, so trim this line till here. Then we have a straight portion of 5 mm, again from here to here it must be 5, so go to X form, go to offset, take the distance as 5, so which you will go to have a straight portion to this, and then go to extend this line, so here go to extend this line till here. So now we have a straight portion, and from here again you have an offset of 10 mm, so go to X form, offset, take the distance as 10 mm, and then what will going to be the diameter, which is 20, again you take offset, the distance is 10, so from here you take the distance and go to arc by 3 points, arc by arc endpoints, so you take end of this to end of this and take the radius as 10, so we want to retain this portion, so then go to trim this line till here, so then trim this line till here, so we have this portion which has been created. So once you do that, again we have, after this radius there is a straight portion of 5 mm, so go to X form, offset, take the distance as 5, so from here you have a straight flat portion, and go to trim this line till here, and trim this line till here, and trim this line till here, and trim this line till here. Then go to, you have a straight portion, then you have a line, you take end point of this to end point of this. So this is how you will be able to write the model. So once you do that, then we need to erase all other entities. You just erase this Again you go to erase command, erase this line. Again you go to erase this line, and similarly you erase this line here, then you erase this line here. So this is how you will be able to generate the model. Once you do that, now we need to go for the profile machining. So to do that, first we go to properties, go to file, click on tool settings, enable from material, and then go to stock setup, click on properties. So you click on make from 2 points. You just click these 2 points, then go to use margins, and then go to OD margin as 2, and then right margin as 15, and then the left margin as 5. So once you do that, you just go to right tick. Again you come down to check JAWS operation, then go click on OD1, then go to from stock and take the grip length as 2 and say right tick, and also you just right tick this. So now when you go for the machining, here you have to go to the tool paths. So click on tool path, click on face, click on OK. Then you take TR1 OD rough 80 degrees, then enable mm per minute, then go to face parameters, click on rough step over and make it 0.5, and number of finish. So here click on face parameters, click on right tick to clear the dialog box. So now the facing operation has been done. So once you do that, now we go for toolpath, click on toolpaths, click on rough, click on partial, click on weight or enable weight. So you just click on this. So now it has to go in the opposite direction and come down to this. So this is how you will be able to select the profile on the contour of the machining what you want to do. Then click on rough parameters. So here you just click on the rough parameters. So here the depth of cut, which is 0.5, make it 0.5, then click on OK. So now the roughing has been taking place along with this profile. So we're going to get this. Once you get this, again go to toolpath, click on finish, click on partial weight. So again you just click on this. So this is the profile, the direction in which it is moving. Then click on right tick. Now we want T1212R, T1212R 0.8, 55 degree. Click on feed mm per minute. Click on the feed rate as 0.25. Then click on finish parameters. Click on step over as 0.5 and number of finish passes as 2, and click on right tick. So this is the finishing operation what it does. Once you do that, now we go for the click on right tick to clear the dialog box. So here now we want to go for, so now we go for selected operations, automatic generation of codes. So now we have the G1, you just click on OK. So now I will say 1 and say right tick, go to, this is the automatic generation of codes what you are going to get from here to here. So this is the generation of codes which will going to be there for about 482 lines. That is the one which will going to be fed into your CNC. So come down to toolpaths, click on verified selected operations. Now you just click on play. So now the facing operation has been taking place. Once you do that, now the roughing will start, the rough machining, rough profile machining. So this is the rough profile machining, what it has been taking place. So one should do that. So this is the canned cycle, what we are trying to get, which has been fed to the computer or the CNC machine to generate generated M&G codes, which is automatic gest generation, which has been selected by the canned cycles. So this is the profile, what it has been generating. This is for rough profile roughing. Now the finishing operation has been taking place. We have number of processes 2. So this is how you will be able to get the model